Now, let us have an overview of projects. The starting point in discussing how projects should be properly managed is to first understand what a project is. PMI's Project Management Body of Knowledge, PMBOK, or PMBOK, as it is commonly referred by, defines a project as a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service or result. A project has two distinctive attributes. The first is temporary. Projects are temporary in nature. Temporary does not mean the duration of a project is short. For example, a project can start in this century and finish in the next century. Temporary refers to that they have definitive start dates and end dates. The end is reached when the project's objectives have been achieved, or when the project is terminated because its objectives will not or cannot be met, or when the need for the project no longer exists. And the second attribute is uniqueness. Projects exist to bring about a product or service that hasn't existed before. In this sense, a project is unique. Unique means that it is new and has never been done before. Maybe it's been done in a very similar fashion before, but never exactly in this way. Every project is different from one another. Even though project contains repetitive and same tasks of other projects, they are unique from other projects. For an example about uniqueness, if we build the same identical natural gas stations in different places, still those two projects are unique, as they are built in different locations. Let us take a look at some examples of projects. They include, but are not limited to the following: developing a new product or service, effecting a change in the structure, staff, or style of an organization, developing, or acquiring, or modifying, a new or existing information system, constructing a building or infrastructure, or implementing a new business process or procedure. A program is a group of related projects managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits and control, not available from managing them individually. Programs may include elements of related work outside the scope of the distinct projects in the program. A project may or may not be part of a program, but a program will always have projects. Projects within programs are related through the common outcome or collective capability. A portfolio refers to a collection of projects, or programs, and other work, that are grouped together, to ease and simplify the effective management of that work, to meet strategic business objectives. Let's take a look at this example. All the projects shown, from Project A to Project G, are energy projects. The two projects, E and F, were combined in a program, the Clean Energy Program, for the ease of management. The Clean Energy Program, and the other projects, constitute the energy portfolio. Note that in this example, all the projects, and the program, are interdependent and directly related, as they all fall under the energy theme. However, projects or programs of the portfolio may not necessarily be interdependent or directly related, and still falls under the same portfolio. The figure illustrates the scope and linkage of projects, programs and portfolios. Note the following: that in the project domain, project management focuses on the quality of the project's deliverables. On the other hand, in the program's domain, the program management focuses on the stakeholders' value. Finally, in the portfolio domain, the portfolio management focuses on the entire business value, in alliance with the business strategic objectives. In any organization, only two aspects of work exist: ongoing operations and projects. In other words, projects are defined as unique, temporary endeavors with a specific beginning and end. Operations constitute an organization's ongoing, repetitive activities, such as accounting or production. The differences between project management and operations management are a matter of perspective. The PMI PMBOK Guide provides the following differences between project management and operations management. 1. Temporariness versus permanence. 2. Definite beginning and end versus repetitive cycle. 3. Scope, time, and budget constraints versus supply chain constraints. Now, let's take a look at how they all work together in real life. Let's take an example of an automobile company that needs to create a new vehicle. The initial design of the vehicle is a project. The operations of marketing the new vehicle, manufacturing it, and supporting and servicing sold vehicles constitutes the ongoing operations part of the business. Once the vehicle is manufactured, it adds a new product and a new service, which is servicing the sold vehicles, to the company products and services. Additionally, improving the vehicle design, or specifications, would also be a new project. Let's go further with our example. Another project can emerge from the now existing vehicle. For instance, a specific country wanted to use the vehicle as its police car. They ordered a quantity, along with their specifications, and wanted it to be delivered within 6 months. This specific order is now a project. After that, numerous orders came from different countries to deliver police cars. These projects now needs to be managed more efficiently, so all special order projects were added into a program. The program is now interlinked with the operations. Please note the interlinkage at the different levels.